Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively. To truly grasp historical events, you need a systematic approach. We'll cover understanding context, analyzing sources, and connecting information to form a comprehensive view. This will help you build a strong foundation, develop critical thinking skills, and appreciate the complexities of the past, making your learning journey more rewarding. Engaging with historical texts is crucial. Start by previewing chapters to get the main ideas, then highlight key details like names and dates. After reading, summarize sections in your own words to ensure understanding. Creating outlines or concept maps can also help you organize information visually and see connections between different topics. Critically analyzing sources is a cornerstone of history. Always consider who created the document and why, as this reveals their perspective. Evaluate the source's reliability by looking for biases or missing information. Understanding the historical context is vital for interpreting events accurately. Finally, compare various interpretations to gain a well-rounded view. Bringing all the information together is the final step. Look for cause and effect relationships between events and identify broader patterns or long-term trends. Use this understanding to formulate your own informed historical arguments. Regularly practice writing essays and answering questions to solidify your knowledge and improve your ability to articulate complex historical ideas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.